Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys what I am packing with me to Florida. My cat little one always has to be in the video. I just have some makeup, some skincare and brushes. I know this seems excessive. We are going for 9 days. We're going to be driving, so we're not flying, so I don't have to worry about those restrictions, and I do have room in my SUV. So here I am. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, first I'm going to show you my makeup bag. This is a bag I bought off of Amazon. It is, I don't know, makeup beauty. I wouldn't recommend this actually. This was a lower cost bag. If I were to buy another bag, I would definitely spend more money because I just don't like it. It reminds me of a lunchbox. It's kind of flimsy. I would have liked something with more support. So, yeah. Okay, so in this makeup bag, you do have spots to put brushes. And when I went to Ithaca, New York, I used this. But I feel I'm going to use a different little bag for brushes this time around. So I did pack a little Ziploc bag. I have some Q-tips. These are, you know, just the little cotton rounds. And then these cloths right here, I found them on Amazon. It's from Clean Skin Club. And I believe it was around $12 for like a pack of 100. These are amazing. They're disposable washcloths, but they're biodegradable. And they do not fall apart. Like you could rinse them out, re-wet it, and they're fine. I use this to help remove makeup, wash my face. I mean, you could use it for anything. And it says these are cleaner than using washcloth because they don't hold bacteria. Like washcloths, even if you wash them, there's still bacteria in them. So I really have been enjoying these, and I would definitely repurchase once I'm done. So I did throw some skincare because I ran out of room. But this is my Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. It's a refreshing, cooling, moisturizing gel. And I thought this would be nice in case we get some sunburn, maybe. And it was just a sample size. I am almost out of it, but I figure maybe I could use it up down there. And then for moisturizer plus sunscreen, this has sunscreen in it too. This is a sample size of the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench SPF 45. And I really do enjoy this. And I also have this one. I'm not sure if it's the same thing. Maybe it kind of is, but it doesn't have the sunscreen. I don't know. But I'm bringing this as well. And then I have this sunscreen. This is from Can Make. It's the Mermaid Skin Gel UV. And this is SPF of 50. I bought this off of Amazon. This like gives you like glowy, pretty skin. I know this is pretty popular here on YouTube. A lot of people are talking about it. So it's a facial. Well, you could use this wherever. It says face and body, but I use this for my face. In this lip serum, I got this in a BoxyCharm. I actually put this on every night. This is Avant Hyaluronic Lactic Vitamin B3. It's like a serum for your lips, and I put this on at night. It's just been a part of my routine. I use quite a bit of it, so yeah, bringing that too. Now this bag has this little pouch right here, and you can remove it, which is kind of nice. But in here, I just put like my smaller items. This is a concealer I'm going to use, my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. And I believe it's in the shade C2. I really do enjoy this. I think it's a good concealer. And for brows, I'm going to keep it simple. My Benefit Brow Styler. This has like a wax, like a tinted wax pencil with a powder on the other side. So I believe it's in the shade Taupe, I want to say, or what is it? It's 2.5. So I thought it'd be something simple, easy to use. This is a mascara I just got in BoxyCharm. It is more of a wet formula, but it's from Aether Beauty, the Big Bang Mascara. It's just my newest mascara. But another mascara I'm bringing is from She Glam, Long It Lasts. This is a tubing formula. And tubing formulas don't like smudge or flake. They stay put pretty well. And I thought in the Florida heat, this would be good without being a waterproof formula. And this is my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof. It says waterproof liquid liner. It's my go-to. It's a brush tip. I really do enjoy this liner. And then I thought, just in case, this is a Milk Makeup eyeliner. The package is pretty dirty. I did wipe off all this stuff before I filmed. But it's just like in a brown color. So I thought in case I wanted to put some brown in my waterline. And then for an eye primer, I'm bringing my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Because I'm going to be in the Florida heat, in case we go out for dinner or something, I want my eyeshadow last. I figured I'd bring this. And then for lip products, I'm going to bring my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This is in a mini size. It came as like a sample. So I thought it'd be good because it's a smaller size product and it's probably my favorite lipstick. And then this is the Pillow Talk lip liner. And then I was debating bringing like a nude colored lipstick, but I thought if I wanted something more browny or nudie, cooler tone or whatever, I could just adjust my lips with this. This is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF Cool. So yeah, I'm going to bring that. And then this is just like a NARS lip gloss. I don't even know. I think it's in Laguna, but it's just a lip gloss. It looks more brown, but it shows up pretty clear on the lips. Just a little lip balm. And now for the rest of the makeup. For foundation, I'm going to bring two. This is my Futurist, Estee Lauder Futurist Hydro Rescue Foundation. And what shade is mine in? Fresco. And this is more of a lightweight, medium coverage foundation. I really do enjoy this. I use quite a bit of it. And then this is my Purito BB cream, Cinca Clearing BB cream in the shade 27 Sand Beige. This is more of my self tan shade, and this is like my current shade. I'm going to do self tanning before I go, so that's why I have both, so I can wear this when I'm self tan, and then as the tan fades I could, you know, convert to that. For my primer, I'm going to use the La Cura brand, the Snapshot Ready Pore Minimizing Primer, because, I don't know, I just wanted something more pore filling, smoothing, nothing too dewy or moisturizing. I thought this would be a good primer to bring. And this is primers from Aldi's, and I really do enjoy this. For setting spray, this is kind of new to me. This is the Complex Culture. It's a filter out blue light defense mist. I'm not really doing it for that. I just like setting my face with the spray, and I like the way it smells. So yeah, that's just what I'm bringing. I'm bringing two bronzers. This is my Huda Beauty Tantor in the shade Light. When I'm self-tanning, I really like this when I'm going for like a bronze look. I love this stuff. It blends like beautifully, and it's pigmented. It has pigment, but it blends really nice, and it dries down. Like, it doesn't stay sticky on the skin. I know it looks a little warm, but it just blends in beautifully. And when I'm self-tanning, it really gives me that boost I want. So I definitely had to bring that. And then for my powder bronzer, this is by LYS. It is just in the shade Motivate Light, and it's a really great powdered bronzer. So these makeup items I'm bringing are pretty much my favorites. It's kind of interesting to see what people pack, because you know they're packing like what they really, really love. Something like I don't have, usually I have so much makeup that I could choose to use something new every day. But these are products I'm going to dedicate myself for 9 days. So for blush, I'm bringing the Laura Geller Baked and Blush and Brighten Tropic Hues. I just think this is a really pretty blush. It's kind of glowy. or more like satin. I would say a satin finish. It looks more shimmery when I swatch it, but it's definitely more satin on the skin. And I just think it's a pretty blush, and I don't know, I think it would look, I don't know. I just want to get more use out of it, and I do really enjoy that. And then for highlighter, it's my Laura Mercier Highlight 01. It's matte Radiance Baked Powder. I don't know why it says matte. It's not matte at all. But it is a baked highlighter, and this is beautiful. It is the most natural, like, glow within highlight. I love it. It just looks beautiful on the skin. It's one of my favorites. Like, once I blend it in, it's just so beautiful. It's so difficult to film with a needy cat. Okay, so for 2 powders, this is my Covergirl Simply Ageless Instant Wrinkle Blurring Pressed Powder. It's one of my favorite pressed powders. So I like to use this like all over my face. Sometimes I'll just use it under my eyes too. And then if I want, like, I don't know, if I feel like I need be more matte, or I don't know, sometimes I'm in the mood for this too. That's why I decided to bring both. This is a Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil. So yeah, so I have a loose powder and a pressed powder. And now for eyeshadow. I chose to bring 2 eyeshadow palettes. This is the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. It was exclusive to BoxyCharm. And I thought it was just like more mauvey, purpley, or like pinky mauve. So that's why I'm bringing this, but it still leans neutral. And then a classic ColourPop Going Coconuts. It's all worn away. And it's just a neutral palette. Not too cool, not too warm. You have beautiful mattes and really pretty shimmers. I thought this would be a nice everyday palette. So yeah, those are my 2 choices for eyeshadow. And then I do have this. Anybody remember this? The Tati Beauty, the Blendiful? Just in case. I don't know, it was clean, so I figured I'd throw it in. And then I have this. This is from Shop Miss A. It's just like one of those shadow switch. I thought it would be nice to have. You know, I use this quite a bit, so I'm bringing that. Now, these are the face brushes I'm bringing. So this is like a large stipple brush, but I use this for all over blending. I like to use it when everything's done, just to make sure, because sometimes you can look in the mirror and you look fine, but when you go out, you have like a big patch of bronzer somewhere. So I just like to buff this everywhere. This is a BH Cosmetic Angled Powder Brush. I really been liking this for blush. It's a little dense. I mean, not super dense, but it just gives you like a perfect application of blush the way it's angled. This one is my BH Cosmetics Large Blending. I'm going to use this for highlighter. This is my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. It's kind of dirty, but it's a great, affordable brush for foundation, even like cream bronzer or blush. It's just a great blending brush. This is a rounded powder. I like using this for under the eyes or a bronzer, but I think I'm going to stick with under the eyes for this trip. And then this brush, it's a Luxie brush. I like using this for my cream bronzer. So that's why, for my Huda Beauty Tantour, that's why I'm bringing this, and this is a Cheek Pro Angle Blender. I think that I got this at Five Below, and I'm bringing this for concealer. And this is an e.l.f. Blush brush. I love this for bronzer. So I used to use those big, huge bronzer brushes, but now I really like the small, like tapered brush, because it really like makes it look more contoured. And then this brush is a large powder, just for all over face powder. And these are the eye brushes, a BH Cosmetic blending brush. It just does a good job blending. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, a dense primer for eye primer. Profusion, I got some brushes for blending. This is a little eyebrow razor. I thought it would be handy to have. These two brushes, Sephora and a Morphe brush for inner corner highlight and like smudging under the lashes. Like a smaller blending for outer corner. A dense blender I like to use from Real Techniques. And just an angled brow brush and spoolie. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the skincare I'm bringing. So this is the cleanser I'm using currently, the CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser for normal skin. This helps exfoliate, softens, and smooths, and it has silk acid in it. So I have really bad clogged pores, like on my cheeks, and I really feel like this has been helping. I think it's a great like gel cleanser, and it's pretty affordable too. My daughter loves it too. And then for a toner, this is, I got this at Walmart. It's Vitamins and C Beauty Seaweed Glycolic Acid, and this, I always have to use a toner. I feel like it helps remove like any makeup residue, and it just helps with my skin. Like I said, I have really bad clogged pores, so this helps. And this one has an interesting smell, but so far so good. You just pop the top open, put your little pad on here and press it down, and the product just goes in your pad. So I have been enjoying that. I have the Simple Eye Makeup Remover because, you know, you have hard to remove eye makeup. It's good to have on hand. I have an under eye cream. This is from Ren. I got this in a BoxyCharm. It's a brightening dark circle eye cream. And I don't know, so far I really do enjoy this, and it's a smaller, you know, size. So that's why I'm bringing that. And then for serum, this is the the Nuco all-in-one serum, AHAs, vitamin C, HAs. So, I don't know. I had to really narrow it down, guys. Because I use like a nighttime, I use so much stuff, it's ridiculous. So I really, really tried to narrow it down. And then for the last item is Lily Lash's Lash Serum. I like to use this all the time. So that is why this is coming with me. But yeah, that is it, guys, for today's video. Obviously, I'm going to bring like shampoo, conditioner, you know, body wash, all that type of stuff too. And I figure what I'm going to do is once I'm going to try to like put things in little baggies or whatever, makeup bags, and then put everything in this one bag to keep it all together. And so, yeah, like if my daughter needs, you know, or when she goes to take a shower, she just bring the whole bag with her. So yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing. But yeah, I don't know. I want to do a vlog when I go to Florida. I'm going to try as much as possible. I know my daughter and my boyfriend hate when I vlog. They think I'm like ruining, like taking away from the moment, which I totally get. But at the same time, I want to make memories we could go back to. So we'll see what I can get, but yeah. But anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye.